want is champagne and sunshine. Looking for a good time. Sipping on the stars while we laying under sunlight. Pale skin and light eyes. Oh, my feet so bad.
Wasn't ready.
Oh, hell no, that's a big ass mosquito.
So we are going to. This is weird to start a vlog. I didn't even do the intro or nothing.
Right?
No, nothing. Just starting off. Well, it is 6:26 and we are in Bali, Indonesia. This is Mickey. You want me to call you Mickey or Dixon?
No, Mickey.
Mickey. And then we have Bria at the end.
Probably from my government name.
And we trying to find a taxi or something. Why shouldn't we have like one? We have one by one get on a motorcycle. Huh? Oh, he's a taxi man. Hi.
Where are you going?
Where we going?
Potato Head Beach Club.
Okay.
Okay.
You got a meter? No. You want the meter? For how much?
I don't know how much it would cost.
80, yeah, 80.
How much is it?
80,000.
80,000.
80,000?
Wait, let me do the conversion.
You said 80 or 50? You tell me.
Hold up.
Out here hustling for taxis. This is new. 18.
1-8.
Good way to start the vlog. Good morning, you guys. And yes, I am in a different place. I am no longer in Korea, you guys. Oh my god, these dogs are so disrespectful in Bali. But yes, your girl is in Bali, Indonesia. Bruh, these dogs, shut up. Yeah, it is day 1 and we came to Bali, what, yesterday? Got here around 1 and we've been chilling, showered, ate, went to like a little beach restaurant and then came back and went to sleep. It's tired. And then we knew we had to get up like mad early. It is 6:12 in the morning. I woke up at like 5:30. Yeah, 5:30 to get dressed and get ready. So yeah, can't wait to see what we have planned. So we are about to wait on our driver to go bathe the elephants. And yeah, stay tuned for that. So this is my breakfast. Some eggs, bacon. I wish I had some grits. Some grits would be real good right now. And some watermelon. So yeah. Y'all plates looking kind of full over there.
We about to be full over here. It's inclusive. It's amazing.
I look really glowing, or I don't know if it's just oil or glow. Oh shoot. Look how close we are. Oh my god. Excuse me, sir. It's nice though. Cutie. Look how cute it is. So riding with the elephant was pretty cool. I was scared, y'all, like scared. This thing is big, but I had a nice elephant. So now we're about to go bathe the elephant now. Bria, was it fun? Yes, it was fun. I liked it. I wasn't even scared. Ooh, this is the perfect photo.
Oh, it is.
Look at the all elefantes.
Oh, it's so nice here.
This is the perfect weather. Just chilling. I feel you, dude, but they wrong for them chains though. I thought this was like a sanctuary, but it's, I guess, I don't know. I don't mess with them chains on no animals. It's okay, dude. I definitely can say today was like, well, it's still morning. It's only 11:56, so today was definitely very relaxing and fun. Like, look at the elefantes down here. I got over my fear. Like, those things are huge, but like, it's so fun. And the elephant I was riding was super gentle. And then we bathed, like you guys see, we bathed a pregnant elephant. She's due in 2 months, which is super cute. Like, just to feel like a baby elephant inside of it. Inside of her, excuse me. So now we're just waiting for our driver so we can go, you know, dune buggy. Not dune buggy. I don't think this is dune buggy. Who knows? Because I know we do ATV later in the trip. So I think this is just like buggies. We shall see. But yeah. We're doing good. Sis.
I love boyfish.
You ready now, Bria? You got an outfit change. Yes. So now we are finished. We just finished showering. My voice sounds really ugly, but we just finished showering and whatnot. And now we are about to go drive the buggies. So yeah, let's go. So we just got done doing the ATV, not ATV, what is it called? Buggies. Buggies. And I'll insert a clip here, but we just had like the worst experience with customer service inside of the building. Hello.
They say white skin is the right skin.
Don't say that. That's what they were implying though. Like, literally took 10 minutes just to check out.
10, 20.
Okay, like 30 minutes.
White skin is the right skin.
So tired.
That's messed up. It don't take that long.
It doesn't. So we are now gonna head back to the villa, quickly refresh, and then head out. Hopefully this bus ride, taxi ride.
We're in Bali. We're gonna part way. What did he say? We're gonna. What did Cat Williams say when he was like, "Tonight we're gonna get fucked up."
So I feel dirty. Super dirty. So I definitely need to do a quick shower.
So am I wearing that little Bali outfit that I showed you yesterday? You was like, wear that to hotel.
Should I wear a dress?
Yes, I'm wearing a dress.
I have a dress, but like it cuts so freaking low. I ain't got no boobs.
Is it the only dress you don't need boobies?
It is literally in a car. We just got in a car wreck in freaking Bali because our taxi driver wasn't paying attention and he veered off into a freaking ditch. Talk about pissed, like, bro, good thing none of us were hurt. He needed to pay attention while driving, especially going through, it's like a bunch of hills going down this mountain or whatever, and he kept speeding.
This truck right here.
Oh, there it is. Look at this.
You need to fucking wait. You need to be patient. You know? Yeah, look. You know how to
Definitely gonna put the company name on the screen. Not go with this company. We booked it through Airbnb, which you would think would be legit. Guess not. So hopefully we get to the waterfalls today. Yeah, let's see what happens. We made it, y'all. We still alive. We going to the waterfalls. This is gorgeous. We made it, y'all.
I can hear it. Yeah, I hear the waterfall. Look, spider, look.
Oh no, I don't like spider. You said spider? I don't like spider, sir.
Up there, you see?
It's,
The spider.
oh, it's all the way up there.
Spider man.
Oh, that's a big spider web.
Oh, these some big bugs. That's what I see. Big wasps.
I'm so mad my phone's dying.
Don't mess with big wasps, y'all. It's fun. Finally out here.
Right.
After a near-death experience, bugs. Let you know. We're almost at one waterfall. Wow. It's gorgeous.
Pretty this is. No. Like.
The first one down.
Shout out my mucus. Can you know that be my slime? Shout out my mucus. That again, that be my slime.